The Lenovo Legion 55070 is here, and it's about to change your gaming sessions forever. Imagine having the power to dominate demanding games, creative workloads, and even multitasking with ease. This laptop is built for high FPS gaming, smooth streaming, and intensive tasks, thanks to its Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, featuring 24 cores, 32 threads, boost speeds up to 5.8 GHz, and a massive 36 Intel Smart Cache. But what does that really mean? In simple terms, it means you can handle AAA titles, esports competition, and content creation with lightning-fast responsiveness, reduced load times, and the power needed to take your gaming experience to the next level. Whether you're battling in Fortnite or editing a movie, this processor delivers. Next up, let's talk about visuals. The Lenovo Legion 55070 boasts an incredible 15.1-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 display, delivering sharp, detailed visuals and an expanded 16:10 viewing area. But what really sets it apart is the ultra-fast 165Hz refresh rate, which ensures fluid motion, reduced screen tearing, and lightning-quick responsiveness. Think of this like being in a high-speed chase scene from your favorite movie. Everything moves smoothly, without any jerky or choppy movements. It's an immersive experience that'll keep you engaged for hours on end. Now, let's talk about the keyboard. This 24-zone RGB keyboard is a game-changer, pun intended. With customizable lighting effects and colors through Legion 5 Gaming Light Studio, you can personalize your setup to match your unique style or mood. Imagine having the ability to adjust the lighting to suit your environment. It's like having your own personal atmosphere. Whether you're gaming with friends or working on a project, this keyboard lets you express yourself in ways that bring more joy and engagement to your experience. But what about staying connected? The Lenovo Legion 55070 has got you covered there too. With 5 USB ports, 2 USB-C and 3 USB-A, an HDMI port for high-resolution external displays, RJ45 Ethernet for low-latency online gaming, and a headset combo jack for seamless communication and immersive gameplay, you're fully connected wherever you go. Whether you're streaming to your audience or staying in touch with friends and family, this laptop has the ports and connectivity options you need to stay productive and connected on the go. In short, the Lenovo Legion 55070 is a powerhouse of a laptop that delivers elite gaming performance, stunning visuals, and a customizable keyboard. If you're looking for a laptop that can keep up with your most demanding needs, look no further. This one's got it all, and I couldn't be more excited to share it with you. Check out the link below to get your hands on this incredible machine and take your gaming sessions to new heights.